Okay, so this is Nissan Cube 2009, and we had a transmission leak in this seal right here. If you're looking, that's the right side. It was like leaking from here.
He had oil channel.
So we decided to replace
channel.
both of them. There's one over here on the left side, and the other one on the right side. Okay, so we bought the new seal.
We ordered it on eBay. New seal. It's hard to find them in store.
Right here.
You can't find them in the store. They don't have them.
So we
ordered it on
online.
eBay. That's the right size. Everything looks good and fits. Just it will be on there, easy.
So you
Very
just put
nice.
it on and
Yeah, be sure you lubricate it.
lubricate with some oil.
Yeah, put some oil on it. Now I need to find a socket.
Okay, so we're gonna use this kind of socket.
So it's a 1 inch and 11/16.
1 inch, yes, and 11/16.
And it fits right in perfectly. So it just goes in there.
So you don't break the seal.
Yeah, and we're gonna lubricate and we're gonna put it in. Pack it in.
Just use any oil. Okay, so put it in. And just a reminder, these seals are different. This one's bigger on the left and that one is smaller. So they're different.
Without going straight?
Yeah, I think so. No. Make sure you insert it even so you don't damage it. So you don't bend it. The left side. Don't hit too hard so you don't bend it or damage it while installing it. Almost done.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now it's all the way in. Should be good.
Should be excellent, yeah.
And to remove the old one, we use a special tool. It's like a hook.
But you can use a screwdriver or anything from this angle. You can go in and just
Use it like this.
remove that.
Okay, so we'll lubricate the axle as well.
Or the
CV axle.
I'll just pull it out and just lift it up and stop straight.
go slow. Go in, go in. Keep going.
You just wobble it. Make sure it goes right.
It's stuck for some reason. It's the axle stuck right now.
Що таке?
We need to hit it.
Push it. Push
Push
it
it.
in?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Ну, сужений.
No, keep spinning. It's not going in.
Okay.
There we
okay,
go.
There we go. And then just keep pushing and turning it.
Yep.
It's gonna
Here it
pop
goes in. It's in. We good. Yep, this
Okay,
is all.
so here are the old seals.
Yeah, the right one
You
was
can see
leaking.
that they're different.
The left one was okay.
Which one is from
This
which
is the
side?
right.
Right side?
Right, yes.
Right,
Output
smaller.
axle,
Left
right.
is bigger.
And this is the left.
Okay.
See, it has this lip around the sill.
Okay. Okay, so this is what we use. Slide hammer and puller set. It's good to have one for replacing seals
We use this,
and stuff like that.
slide hammer,
Mm-hmm.
and I use this right here. This
This
is what
stuff.
goes on the top. We use this.
Okay.
Goes in there.
Or you can
easy.
use any of these, right?
You could, but you don't really need to. For this application, we use just this. Went just perfectly fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, no issues.
So guys, if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.